Are you tired of spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars at the mechanic? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing 14 car maintenance tips that mechanics don't want you to know. These simple tricks will save you cash, keep your car running like new, and, most importantly, keep you out of the repair shop for good. So buckle up because you're about to become a pro at car care. Tip 1. Check your fluids regularly. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. These are your car's lifeblood. Mechanics profit big when your car breaks down due to low fluid levels. A simple 5-minute check every month can keep your car running smoothly and your wallet happy. Tip 2. Regular oil change. Over time, oil degrades and collects dirt, which can harm the engine. Oil changes are one of the simplest maintenance tasks you can do yourself. Mechanics charge $50 to $100 for something that takes 30 minutes and costs you half the price in materials. All you need is the right oil, a filter, and a bit of know-how. Tip 3. Air filters replacement. Replacing your air filter is one of the easiest maintenance tasks. It is recommended to change air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Mechanics often charge $50 or more to replace your air filter. But did you know you can do it yourself for less than $15? Open your glove box, unclip the filter holder, and replace it in under 10 minutes. Tip 4. Keep your tires properly inflated. Proper tire pressure doesn't just save fuel, it prevents premature wear. Your car manual has the exact PSI recommendations. Use a tire pressure gauge to check levels regularly, especially during temperature changes. Inflating them at a gas station or with a home air pump is quick and cost-effective. In this way, you'll save on gas and expensive tire replacements. Tip 5. Rotate your tires. Tire rotation is crucial for even wear, and it's something you can learn with a few YouTube tutorials. Why pay $100 when you can do it yourself for free? It is recommended to rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Tip 6. Clean your battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals can lead to dead battery. Clean them regularly with baking soda and water to avoid unnecessary replacements. Applying petroleum jelly can also prevent future corrosion. Tip 7. Avoid overpriced engine flushes. Many mechanics push engine flushes, but they're often unnecessary if you're changing your oil on time. Mechanics may push this service, claiming it removes sludge, but regular oil changes achieve the same result. Unless your engine is severely neglected or your manual specifically advises it, skip the flush. Tip 8. Use quality fuel additives. Additives are inexpensive and can be poured directly into the fuel tank during a fill-up. Using them every 3,000 to 5,000 miles can prevent costly injector cleaning services. Read reviews and choose a trusted brand to see noticeable results over time. Tip 9. Don't ignore your check engine light. When the check engine light comes on, don't panic. Buy an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes yourself. Many issues are minor, such as a loose gas cap, which you can fix at home. This tool costs about $30 and pays for itself by helping you avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic for simple problems. Tip 10. Brake pads maintenance. Brake pads are wear and tear items that need regular replacement. While mechanics charge $300 or more, but you can replace them yourself for about $50. All you need is a basic toolkit and a guide specific to your car model. This DIY approach not only saves money, but also gives you better insight into your car's condition. Tip 11. Fuel system maintenance. Always use the recommended fuel type for your car. Using lower quality fuel can damage the engine and decrease its lifespan. Using the recommended fuel grade ensures optimal performance and prevents damage. Tip 12. Avoid sudden acceleration and hard braking. Sudden starts and stops stress the engine, brakes, and tires, leading to faster wear and increased fuel consumption. Smooth driving extends the life of these components. Tip 13. Warm up the engine in cold weather. On very cold days, let your car idle for 30 seconds to a minute before driving. This allows the oil to circulate properly. Avoid long warm-ups. It wastes fuel and isn't necessary for modern cars. Tip 14. Don't skip routine maintenance. Sticking to your car's maintenance schedule is the best way to avoid costly breakdowns. Simple tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and filter replacements keep your car in peak condition. Regular upkeep prevents small issues from turning into expensive repairs, saving you time, stress, and money in the long run. These tips can save you hundreds, if not thousands, over your car's lifetime. So why let mechanics have all the secrets? Hit the like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more car hacks, and keep your car running like a dream.